Hey guys, welcome back to my studio. First of all, sorry for posting late because I was shifting my base from Delhi to my hometown, so got stuck here with my studio and everything. Now it's under construction, still under construction, but I have managed to make one video for you guys, and I'm super excited to show you my studio setup. When I'm super excited, but it's still under progress. So yeah, let's get started. We gonna do a simple look today. I have created this whole simple look. I'm super excited, so my tongue is twisting, sorry for that. And I have used MAC foundation for today's video, and Huda lipstick and Maybelline's, and most of the product I have used from PAC. I have used PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer, and I just love their product. And I have used their oil, facial oil. It has kind of a tangy flavor in it, but I loved it. It's awesome. And what else I have used? I have used Cetaphil lotion, one of my favorite moisturizer nowadays, and I have used Twilight Folker or Focular, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I have used this palette, and this is super awesome. And you can see I have used it on my eye. So I have used Wet n Wild's mascara, Flash Fiber mascara, and Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrows, and yeah, let's get started.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on